Hello guys, good morning to all of you. This is Magiraj here, and now we are going to get discuss about the radius of an atom and velocity of an electron. So let me consider this is an atom whose radius is r, and any electron whose charge is E minus is revolving around the surface of this atom like this. So you know that this electron revolves in the circular path. So here centripetal force and its charge is plus Ze, and this is like Q1 equals to plus Ze, and this is radius, and this is Q2, that is equals to minus E. So according to this, here the electrical force work and it revolves in the circular path. Due to this electrical force balanced by the centripetal force, that means mv square by r equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q1 q2 by r square, means fc equals to fe. Okay, here we are going to calculate the radius of an atom. Okay, radius of atom and velocity of electron. So whenever, let me consider this is an atom whose charge at the nucleus is Ze, its radius is r, and a negatively electron whose charge is E minus or minus E, revolving around its surface with some velocity v. Okay, so here centripetal force balanced by the electrical force, so it means mv square by r is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Ze into E upon r square. ओके, सिर्फ ध्यान रखिए कि यहाँ पर प्लस और माइनस साइन नहीं यूज करेंगे. इट शोज दैट द इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन, इट मीन अट्रैक्टिव फोर्स नेचर होगी इसकी. ओके, और ये चार्ज जो है मैग्नीट्यूड यूज किए जाते हैं. सो mv स्क्वायर बाय r दैट इज इक्वल्स टू Ze स्क्वायर इनटू 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught r square. This is first equation, but we know that angular momentum of the photon or electron, angular momentum is mvr equals to nh upon 2 pi. So according to here we will calculate the value of v or r, so that will putting in here. So it is equals to m r is equals to nh upon 2 pi into m into v. So is we can put the value of radius in here. So by equation first, mv square is equals to Ze square upon 4 pi epsilon naught into value of r is nh upon 2 pi mv. ओके, देखिए एक r से एक r कैंसिल आउट हो जाएगा, तो यहाँ पर ये r की वैल्यू जो आई अकॉर्डिंग टू द एंगुलर मोमेंटम ऑफ फोटोन और इलेक्ट्रॉन, दैट इज mvr इक्वल्स टू nh बाय 2 पाई. सो r को हमने एलिमिनेट कर लिया, ये और ये वैल्यू इस इक्वेशन में पुट कर दिया, तो ये आ जाएगा, ये वैल्यू ऊपर आ जाएगी. ओके, सो इट विल रिटन एज लाइक दिस इज इक्वल टू mv square is equals to Ze square into 2 pi mv upon 4 pi epsilon naught nh. Okay, so m से m कैंसिल आउट हो जाएगा और v से v, so v is equals to ये आ जाएगा Ze square upon 2 epsilon naught nh. So this is the value of velocity of an electron. Okay, and simply we can say that देखिए Z फॉर हाइड्रोजन एटम Z की वैल्यू 1 हो जाएगी, E की वैल्यू आपको पता है 1.6 into 10 power minus 19, एप्सिलॉन नॉट ऑलरेडी पता है 8.85 या 86 into 10 power minus 12, H is the Planck constant, that's 6.6 into 10 power minus 34. Unknown a number of cells, so V inversely proportional to n. According to this, V1 by V2 equals to n2 upon n1. This is the relation or general formula. Okay, and now we will discuss by equation second equals to R equals to NH upon 2 pi mv. So putting here the value of V. Okay. So due to this, we will obtain the formula of this value of velocity equals to ZE square upon 2 epsilon naught NH. So put this value in here. R equals to NH upon 2 pi mv, and it is equals to ZE square upon 2 epsilon naught NH. So R is equals to epsilon naught N square H square upon pi m ZE square. Okay, so this is the general formula of the radius, and according to this, all the value is constant and R is directly proportional to N square. So R equals to R1 upon R2 equals to N1 upon N2 whole half square, and we can also write this R is equals to R0 N square. According to this value of R0 is approx 0.52 angstrom. So ये फॉर्मूले का भी यूज कर सकते हैं। जनरल फॉर्मूला रेडियस का ये होगा, जो नंबर ऑफ सेल के स्क्वायर के डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल है। तो ये भी नंबर ऑफ सेल के रिलेशन के हिसाब से अगर देखें तो रेडियस डिफरेंट सेल में किस तरीके से होंगी, तो ऐसे रिलेशन से भी सॉल्व कर सकते हैं। सो दिस इज द रेडियस। ओके, सो अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस वी कैन सॉल्व रेडियस ऑफ द एटम and velocity of the electron. Okay.